Hanging out at the Helsinki Cathedral. I probably could have found a better angle for the camera, but overlooks Senate Square. Really cool little spot right here. What do you think, Wendell?
Yeah, it's cool.
There, that's a little bit better view of the cathedral. Stopped here at the market, get some breakfast / lunch. I went for the meat potatoes. Amber and Wendell over there getting some crepes. At the Helsinki Cathedral, probably butchered that name, but it gives you an amazing view of this part of Helsinki. Difficult to get a really good view of this. This is probably my favorite piece of architecture I've seen. So I'm at the Design Museum, and this may be my favorite area. This is, I'm just gonna call it the Fix-It area because I don't know what to call it. But it's talking about different ways that things can be repaired, from log cabins to sheetrock, tools that are used. It's a really cool area. Yeah, I think this area really resounds with me because I do help you fix equipment, and a lot of you want it perfection, but is there anything wrong with a patched garment? I love that the walls in here are not even finished. They are still patched. This may be my favorite museum so far. Our luggage did not arrive, so folks, let's go to Sears.
And we don't have our Sunday's best on.
And no, we're not going to Sears. I know there's not Sears here, but yeah, it's from the Brady Bunch movie, if you didn't know that. But really cool shopping center right across the street from where we're staying, like 2 or 3 floors. Real nice. We made it to Lottie, got some ice cream.
It's Lottie.
Found this guy right here who corrects everything I say, even though I haven't seen him for 10 months. I had to delay my Father Today post for this. All right, I gotta get off here. I may cry. See you tomorrow.